kikosi cha ulinzi ya Kenya.
Ni miaka ina riu kuma riria President Uhuru Kenyatta ehitithirio utongoria wa bururi kuma kuri President wa hindi iyo Mwai wa Kibaki. Akioya mihitwa akiranira ciraniro ati ena itanya ria gukuria bururi na kugacirithia muturire wa Kenya, na kuringana na mwario wa thingira wa iregi mano wa SPSU makinya manene ni makinyukitio muno megi ukuria matura-ini.
It is under President Kenyatta's administration also that counties have begun to take their funds and to implement their projects in terms of what the people of Kenya wanted, which is putting money to the grassroots.
Udunge thirikari ya Jubilee iretira ni waki wa reri ya kiriu SGR utabia wa thitima ona atumia kuheo ciana hatari marihi.
So the status of connectivity in Homa Bay County as of February 2017 is 47,212 households compared to only 11,071 in June 2013.
Thirikari ya Jubilee ina itanya ria kuruguria mutambo haria iritaragiria uria ihuthirite thendi cia muingi.
So if you consider these facts together with the fact that this administration has set up critical new institutions that manage intergovernmental relations, it is clear to us that the country is making progress.
Mungethaniro ni ukoretwo kiagira kiene mitaratara ya uthii wa nambere ya Jubilee ukiuga ni thirikari ya ngwataniro ya President Kibaki na Raila Odinga yambiriirie mitaratara iyo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Monica Kagoni.